Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss topic number 21, chemical coordination. The key points in this lecture we will discuss chemical coordination, human endocrine gland, and the pituitary gland. Chemical coordination. The coordination brought about chemicals or hormones is called chemical coordination. These hormones are synthesized in endocrine glands, which are also called as ductless glands. So the chemical coordination controlled by hormones. So hormones are paired in the endocrine glands. So endocrine glands are those glands which secrete their hormones directly into the blood. Such hormones are called glands are called endocrine glands, and they form a system which is called endocrine system. So the ductless gland, because there is no duct and the hormones directly secrete into the blood. Because these glands do not possess any duct, they directly secrete their secretion to the blood. All the endocrine glands collectively termed endocrine system. This system performs chemical coordination. Hormones are organic compounds produced in gland produced directly into the blood and are transferred to respective target tissue where they affect the target cell. Most hormones are protein and derivative of steroids. So the chemical nature of hormones is that hormones are protein and derivative of steroids. They either stimulate or inhibit function. Stimulate means activate or stop. Inhibit means stop reaction. Hormones also control some long-term changes in the body, such as rate of metabolic activity, rate of growth, and sexual maturity. Metabolic activity means chemical reactions, rate of growth, and sexual maturity. That sexual maturity means that sex organs produce properly. It is a pear-shaped gland attached to the hypothalamus of the brain. It is a pear-shaped sac and attached to the hypothalamus. Many hormones, tropic hormones of pituitary gland influence the secretion of other endocrine glands. So the hormones of pituitary gland that affect the function of other endocrine glands, such hormones are called tropic hormones. However, some hormones of this gland are directly affect on various tissue of the body. There are two lobes of the pituitary gland, anterior lobe and posterior lobe. Anterior lobe, it produces many hormones. So first we will discuss the hormones of anterior lobe. So metatropic hormones are growth hormones. This hormone is also called growth hormones because it controls the growth of the body. Function, this hormone increase the cell division and regulate or activate the growth of the body. Disorder of somatotropic hormone, the first disorder is dwarfism. If the production of this hormone is stopped during growing age, the rate of growth decrease. This condition is called dwarfism. So in dwarfism, the height of the person decrease and the body do not grow normal. The second disorder is gigantism. If this hormone is excessively means in large quantity, produced during growing age, so it leads to gigantism, a very tall and overweight. So here in this condition, in this disorder, the person gain more height and more weight. If somatotropic hormone is excessively produced after growing age, internal organ and body extremity means hand and feet alone grow large. This condition is called acromegaly. Such person will have large hand, feet, and jawbone. So at maturity level, when this hormone produced in large quantities, so the body extremity like hand and feet and jawbone increase rapidly. So such condition is called acromegaly. Thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone controls the development and secretion of thyroid hormones. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. These hormones act on the gonads. Gonad means sex organs, testes and ovaries, and help in their function and development. Posterior lobe. The posterior lobe secrete the following type of hormone. Two type of hormone: antidiuretic hormone, ADH hormones are seen. These hormones affect the renal tubules to absorb large quantity of water from the glomerular filtrate. So if the water quantity is low in the blood, so these hormones will regulate the absorption of water from the roof of renal nephron to regulate the water quantity in the blood. The second type of hormone of the posterior lobe, oxytocin, the main function is to contract the uterus muscle during childbirth to expel or remove the baby out. So here these hormones will affect the contraction and relaxation of uterine muscles. So uterine muscles contract and relax rapidly, and the baby expel out from the body. So this is all about the endocrine hormones. If you have any question, comment me. I will give answer. Thank you.